Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DawnDoesLife, and the fine folks over at FGNormal have sent me some goodies to share with you. The very first thing that they sent me was this paper quilling kit, actual paper quilling kit. I've never done it before, and so I saw it there and I thought, well, why not? I mean, why not give it a try? And I was really curious to see what you would get included in a kit. And so, of course, you get your paper. It comes in its own little bag. And, I mean, there's greens and reds and blues and yellows. And it's kind of cool. You take this and you twirl it and you make art. That's kind of a neat idea. And then you get a little toolkit. And I'm just going to take this out. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so this one pokes and it's sharp. So it's a little needle tool. I'm not sure what you would do with that. I don't know anything about paper quilling except that I did a diamond painting paper quilling look-alike. So you get a pair of slanted tweezers, and then this is your twirler. There is a slit right at the end of this metal rod, and that's where you would put your paper into, and then you twirl it. It also comes with this gauge, and I guess however long or big or whatever you want your circles to be is you would use this gauge. I don't know a lot about it, like I said. And then this is the picture I got. I thought it looked pretty simple, beginning to wonder though. I don't know. And then here are some instructions, just basically how to create different shapes, how to do certain things. And I'm not going to read through it. It would be like reading French. I don't really understand it yet, but it's something I want to dally into and learn. So I'm going to have to take a good look at that too. And you guys, please don't mind my voice. Ever since COVID, I've been extremely congested. I've been coughing. It's been like one day I feel like I'm coming down with a massive cold. The next day I just can't talk. It's like weird. The one thing you will need that it didn't come with is glue, and there is the light picture. You can barely see it, but it is there. And so you just follow the pattern. I think it'll look really, really cool. I can't wait to see if I'm even capable of doing it. And that is my paper quill. Not a diamond painting. Are you impressed? The next one, I'm not sure what I think of. This is a magnetic frame, and it came pretty bent up. So I need to lay it under some books to see if I can get it to lay flat. But essentially you just, I cut a picture to put in here. It's too small still though. Remember this beast? So you just lift one side and you would put it in here. And then it basically, see, it's too short. So I'm going to have to put it onto a poster board or something to get the right sizing. But it's magnetized and it won't come out. Like it stays together. And this back piece actually comes off. It's a sticker, and so you could stick it to a wall and then just change out the design as you want to, your fridge, or you could just hang it with command strips if you wanted to go that route. So I kind of like that idea. I have been really thinking about hanging my pictures lately, and so when I saw this, it really kind of got the juices flowing. I have got two paintings that I can't wait to get up on my wall right now. Prices, right? Okay, so the paper quilling kit was $4.92, which I thought was a really good price to I mean, at least give it a try. The magnetic frame was $7.38. It says it has an inner size of 25 by 35 centimeters. So just keep that in mind. It's not going to do a huge picture, but certainly like maybe a 30 by 40 with smaller dimensions. You might have to cut away a little bit of the picture, but it should work. And this last item, I have been wanting to try one of these for a long time. So this is one of those magnetic picture holders, and I'm just going to grab the picture I'm going to do. Okay, so essentially what you do is you just grab your hanger. I'm going to put the one with the string on it at the back. You just try to line it up the best you can. This is not set up to go on my wall just yet, but this is the one that I was thinking about putting on my wall with this. And then you just take the second piece and it just really snaps together. And it seems to be holding the weight of it seems to be holding the weight of it, no problem. And then you take the two bottom pieces and do the same. I'm trying to move this up so I have enough room to show you. So you just lay it under there, line it up the best you can. I think that's kind of where I need it to be. And then, doop. It kind of does the lining up for you. Now I'm just going to move my camera up and I'll show you a shot of me holding it. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll do it with my phone instead. So there's just me picking it up. Okay, I'm just grabbing it by the string here. It seems to be doing just fine. So this picture, I believe, was a 40 by 50. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm almost thinking, geez, I wouldn't mind doing more pictures. I think you also could tap a very thin, like, nail into these if you wanted extra hold, or staple it or glue it. You could use some E6000 and just glue it if you were just really not sure about it. But the weight that the magnet seems strong enough to do this no problem. So I think this picture is about to go up on a wall soon. That one, again, like I said, was between $7.38 and $14.78. I do believe I asked for the largest one, so you are looking at about $15 for that. But if it holds my painting and is so easily interchangeable, it's completely worth it. So a very different haul from FGNormal. Definitely not stuff that I am used to getting. Jury's out on this one. We'll see if we can straighten it out, but it does seem to hold well. Jury's out on this one. We'll see whether or not I'm even capable of doing it. And so far, this is the winner chicken dinner. It seems to hold the frame just fine. Very happy about that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I unboxed these. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show your support for the channel. And then while you're at it, if you haven't already, I'd love to see you subscribe to the channel. And that's going to do it for me, guys. Until the next video, take care, have fun, hug a loved one, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.